Good afternoon.
Merry Vlogmas!
Yeah, in the afternoon.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, Mum's busy on Tuesday and Thursday
I
mornings.
know, we've all been busy.
Yeah. Yes, apart from me.
Yep.
Well, I've been editing, so...
Yeah, that's busy.
Yes.
12th today.
No, it's the 13th.
13th.
Yeah, 13th for us.
Oh.
12th for you, 13th for
Lucky
us.
for some.
And the washing machine will be ready when I go up.
Thank you. What delights do you have to... You haven't had your pink gin yet, though, either.
No,
You're
I'm
in-
getting behind
Yeah.
with my gins.
6 o'clock gin Brunel edition.
Sounds interesting.
Yes. What delights do I have? There it is, right there. I still need you to hold it up for me. Oh, Nimue was saying she had a chocolate coconut sweet or something the other day. She likes coconut, but she felt obliged to do the but.
Well done, Nimue.
Salted caramel and clementine. I've been really excited about this one.
Oh.
I'm not sure that caramel and citrus go together. But apparently they do, so I'm really excited to try this one. That was one that I was really looking forward to. And for father, oh, I knocked you, I'm sorry. Stay still. Try not to wiggle. There it is, Star Plus. Oh, it looks like a disco.
It's a laboratory.
Oh,
You take pictures of it because your pictures come out better than trying to look at it. Oh, blimey. It's,
are there lots of clues?
yeah,
Oh, there's like radioactive footprints on the floor.
right.
Periodic table
That's right.
over
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
And a countdown.
Sticky notes on the floor. You pick them up and take a closer look. This must be what's in my hand.
Yes, I think
Okay.
so.
Clock stopped when?
Well, it's broken.
Ah.
So is that what we've got to do?
Which makes sense.
Well, I don't know.
Well, you've
I'm-
read the story.
Yes. Well, you read the story. Evidence says that it happened 3 hours before 6:28. Logical conclusions are needed here. Okay.
I like the little arrows on here.
That's it, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was
Much easier. That
Much
one.
easier. Much more straightforward.
Yes.
Visual clues.
Yes,
Yes. Appeals to our minds.
apparently so.
Ooh.
Yes. I'm going to come up with you, put my washing in, and have my hot chocolate made. Are you sewing today, Mother?
Yep. I'm going to start there.
Nice. Okay, so I'm now going to cut to the bit that I filmed earlier today. So enjoy the rest of our day.
Cut.
First hot chocolate review, then what I filmed earlier. It's really nice. It kind of tastes like Terry's chocolate orange. I cannot taste the caramel at all. Maybe hints of it, but it is very nice. I do enjoy. So would drink this one again, but won't purchase this one again. Now we can cut to earlier. I am filming out of order, so you've just seen us do calendars, but this is actually the first thing that I'm doing today. It is Tuesday. Mum has appointments with her Anna chaplaincy clients in Tuesdays and Thursday mornings, so she is out doing that currently, and I am back down here and I'm in my snugglies because my sticker paper, my second pack of sticker paper has arrived, and I had so much fun yesterday putting all the stuff into my bullet journal. I want to do more of it today. And technically I'm allowed 2 days off a week, so I'm classing this as my second day off. I am going to film some of the process of this one. I didn't actually film much last night because I was chatting to a friend. Like I say, we were on the phone for about 4.5 hours. I haven't spoken to him in a good 10 years or so, so it was really nice catching up with him. So yeah, I didn't film that, but I'm going to film a little bit of the setup process, and then I will film a flick through of the bullet journal. I think I said in yesterday's Vlogmas as well that I am considering giving this one away and ordering one from the Citrus book bindery, which I really want to do, but if I do want to do that, I need to do that now because there's a 2-week, because they make them to order, so there's like a 2-week kind of turnaround time on that, and I don't know if it would actually arrive in time for January, to be started in January. Now that's not the end of the world. I have ordered some little scrappy notebooks from them that because I was planning on having my A5 bullet journal and then scrappy notebooks in my traveler's notebook because I love that thing, so I could keep notes about all the stuff that happens at the beginning few weeks of January that I would then transfer over into the Citrus book bindery one. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Most people don't put an entire year's worth of bullet journaling into one book. Usually it's 2 or maybe 3 depending on, you know, how much they track and what they put in it daily. I want to have everything in one book, and I used an origami book for the last 2 years, which I have loved, but I wanted something bigger this time. But bigger meant fewer pages, which is why I've had to go to a week on one page, but it was a bigger page, so I thought it would work, and it probably will, and especially if I have a messy notebook to make messy notes in. But the reason that I want one book for the year is so that everything is in one place, but also for the collections at the beginning of the year. So for example, I keep a list of everything that I've made, when I made it, if it was a success or fail, what pattern number it was, so I can do my year in review videos easily. But I would like to track more than that, so I think I am going to give this one away and get myself a new one and do it that way. My memory card is almost full, so I'm going to empty that out. Far too much waffle on here. I've emptied some of it out. I'll do the rest later because I've pretty much edited everything that's on here now. But yes, I think that's what I'm going to do today, is print out some more stickers, cut them out, get them stuck into the bullet journal that I've got, so that I can get it fully set up so that I can start a giveaway for it. I think that's what I'm going to do. But that's my plan for today, and I'm really looking forward to it. And it's going to be nice to have like a chill and then back to sewing tomorrow. My printer has run out of ink, but to be fair to it, it did only come with the startup cartridges. It's printed 24 very densely coloured photographic or glossy sticker paper full A4 sheets for me, and the black ink is fine, but yeah, the coloured ink has run out, and I've gotten to as far as July. So I'm gonna give you a quick flip through of this. I've actually decided that I'm going to keep this one. Putting all the stickers in, I actually designed these stickers back in July, and I think I bought this book back in July as well. I forgot how pretty some of them were, so I am going to keep this one, but I'm going to get myself one of the citrus book bindery notebooks for next year, so 2025. Not like planning ahead or anything. I mean, even by then maybe I will be able to afford the iPad that I want and I can do digital planning, although I do like having a physical notebook to write in, so I don't know. But I'm going to get myself the citrus book bindery one for 2025 because I don't think I would have time to set the bits and pieces up that I would want to in time for January. I forgot how pretty the stickers were that I've made, so let me show you some of them. I also want to show you my power trip bag with all the bits and pieces in it because it's worked really well. So let's tip you down and have a look at those two things, and then I'm going to call it a night, and I will be back to dressmaking tomorrow, starting with the Star Trek dress. I think either that or the 9076, I can't decide, but one of the two. I'm determined to get the 9076 so long done this month and out and edited this month. It's going to happen, so maybe I ought to start on that tomorrow. But the Star Trek dress is going to be so much quicker. Star Trek dress, then 9076. Anyway, I'll stop waffling about that and I'll show you what I've been doing today. So this is an A5 origami journal. I don't know if they class, it's a dot grid journal, so I think it's still classed as a bullet journal. I got this, as I say, back in July, I think. It's got 120 pages and it's 180 GSM paper, so it's really nice thick paper. Yeah, I haven't put my name in it yet because like I say, I was planning on thinking about maybe giving it away, but I think I want to keep it now. So little quote on the first page. We've got a future log, got fabric bought, my made list, and I've got space for 100 things, which I have done in a year before, and I can always add a page in if I need more. And then I've got space for 20 alterations that I may or may not get to next year. I've done about 20 this year, so maybe. This is going to be like a big project page, or maybe 2 pages, but I just wanted some decoration in there. The images I got from an Etsy seller, and I will link to those in the description down below. I've also got another big project. I'm planning on a couple next year. My Make 9, the sewing retreat page. The sewing retreat this time is a week long, and I want to take some photos and just write down, like, you know, my experiences and yeah, journal about it basically. Another big project page. And I've got favourite days, so I want to go and do some things next year, like favourite nights out at restaurants or things like that, or going to visit things or people, so that's that one. Favourite books and movies, my top 5 hits and misses, because I always like to kind of record the projects that really worked and the ones that didn't. And then year in review, so favourite things from each month throughout the year. And then we're into the January page. So I've got calendar page, my running task list, because usually I'd like to have that on each individual week, but there isn't room for it in this diary and to still have an entire year in the one book. So I've got my content planner, which is where I kind of pencil in all the video ideas that I want to do and then put them in coloured ink once I've actually put them live. And then my week at a glance, so it's 7 days on one page. There is room, a little bit of room for notes, and then again favourite things. So this will be like the books and movies and TV shows that I've enjoyed this month. Then the best ones of those will go into the year in review kind of thing. So yeah, and then I've got, like I say, I've done through till June, yes. And then I had a few stickers printed out for July and a few stickers printed out for October. Very few, yeah, very few. So and then like the running task list ones the whole way through. So that's the bullet journal for 2024. And then the power trip bag. So in the front pocket I am keeping my batteries, because that's the easiest place to get to. And then on the inside, got my cables and cables. Then I've got my SD card reader, my power bank, more cables, my mini tripod for my camera. Words are hard. And then in this one, I've got my mini hard drive and its cables in that one, and then the other zipper pocket at the moment is actually empty. So it's quite nice having everything organized. I think if I made this again, I might put the elastic under a little bit more tension. The elastic is the same width as the power trip bag. The mesh is actually bigger, which makes sense because the mesh is meant to, like, you know, give a little bit to put things in. But I think I might just make the elastic just a little bit tighter so it's under tension when it gets sewn in, if I ever make another one of these. But yeah, really pleased with how this has turned out, and it looks really pretty in my bag, which I like. So if I could, I would totally carry on and get the rest of the stickers cut out and stuck into my book. That's literally what I've been doing all day. But as I say, the printer's run out of ink, so I can't. So I will do that when the next set of ink arrives, because I've signed up for instant ink with HP. I've got a 2-month free trial, which is awesome. I am going to take the rest of the evening off, watch some TV, I think. Saying that, I need to edit this, so I'm going to get that done, and then I do have a couple of other videos that I want to try and edit to get those done as well, so that some more videos can go up this week. That is the plan. I would like at least 2 up, and I have things very close to being finished, but it is also technically my day off, my second day off in a row, but it is my day off, so I think I might just have the evening completely off and go back to work tomorrow. I think that's the plan. So I hope you've enjoyed the little bit of waffle from today and seeing what I have been up to behind the scenes. If you would like a full tour of my bullet journal and how I'm going to use it, then let me know and I will film that video. I had intended to film the setup of it, but yeah, like I say, last night I was chatting to a friend and today I was chatting to mum, and I don't know, I think maybe a flip through and a like proper how I plan to use this, and I've still got half the year to set up, so maybe that, I don't know. You'll have to let me know what you think and if you would be interested in a dedicated video for that, but let me know in the comment section down below. Anyway, I'm going to stop waffling at you, so I hope you have enjoyed my day, and I will see you all tomorrow for some sewing and some more calendars and more Vlogmas goodness. Yes, I was going to say I've got a doctor's appointment in the morning, but after that, more Vlogmas goodness. Bye!